Hello, and welcome to Mark's Excel Tips. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a wedding budget template in Excel 365. Let's get started. If you find value in this video, please give it a like to help others find our videos. You can download this video tutorial as a PDF by following the link in the video description below. To start, click on File. On the right side of the home screen, click on More Templates. In the search box on the left, type in Wedding Budget. Hit Enter, or click on the search icon. Excel will load several templates for wedding budget. Let's click on the first one. In the window that opens, Excel tells you about this template and what it is best used for. You can use the left and right arrows to scroll through the different wedding budget templates. Each template will give you a brief description on what it can be used for. When you find the wedding budget template that you like, click on Create. Excel will load your wedding budget template, ready for you to use. On this first page, you have your categories: estimated cost, your actual cost, by how much you are over or under your actual cost, and if each category has been completed. You also have your estimated costs and actual costs, shown here in a graph. On your expenses page, each category is broken down into subcategories. This is where you will input your estimated and actual numbers, and they will automatically be calculated in your over/under column. You can easily edit your wedding budget template by adding or removing rows as needed. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.